So you've had an iPhone for years, right? But I'm willing to bet there are some seriously cool hidden tricks you're not using that could honestly make your life way easier. So let's dive into some of these awesome features that you'll probably start using every single day.
I mean, really think about it. You use this thing all day, every day. But are you really getting the most out of it? Let's find out.
Okay, we're going to kick things off right inside the Messages app. Why? Because a few little tweaks in here can save you a ton of time and, add a bit of fun to your chats.
Get this. Did you know you can send messages in your own handwriting? It's so easy. In any iMessage chat, just flip your phone sideways. See that little handwriting icon? Tap it. You can pick a preset like Happy Birthday or just write your own. It's such a small thing, but it adds a really great personal touch. Okay, we have all been here. You type out this long, perfect message, and then you see it. A typo buried right in the middle. And trying to jab your finger in exactly the right spot to fix it, it's the absolute worst, right?
Well, there is a much, much better way. Just press and hold the spacebar. The whole keyboard just turns into a trackpad. Now you can just slide your thumb around and move the cursor exactly where you want it. Seriously, once you start doing this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
And here are 2 more lightning-fast tips for messages. Instead of tapping the plus icon and then tapping Photos, just tap and hold the plus icon. Boom! You're straight in your photo library. Same deal for keyboard settings. Tap and hold the little globe icon to jump right into the menu. So much faster.
All right, moving on from messages, let's talk about just getting around your iPhone itself. These next couple of tricks are going to help you fly through menus and pages way, way faster.
So for years, we've all been trained to swipe from the tippy edge of the screen to go back. But guess what? With recent updates, you don't have to do that anymore. It's a small change, but it's a total game changer.
Now you can just swipe from the middle of the screen to the right. That's it. It doesn't matter where your thumb is. It feels so much more natural once you get the hang of it. No more awkwardly stretching your thumb to the very edge of the screen.
Okay, this next one is one of my all-time favorites. It's a massive time saver. You know when you're buried like 5 levels deep in the settings menu? Don't just sit there tapping back. Instead, just tap and hold that back button. A menu pops up with all the previous pages, and you can just jump straight back to the beginning in one tap.
All right, let's talk about the search bar. You know, the one you get when you swipe down on your home screen. Most people just use it to find apps, but it's actually like a secret genius hiding in your phone.
You can use it as a super quick unit converter or even a calculator. And you know the best part? It all works offline. You don't need Wi-Fi or data. It's all happening right there on your device.
Let's try it out. Say you need to figure out a weight conversion on the fly. You just swipe down, type in 100 kilo, and boom, there it is. The answer just appears instantly. You can do the exact same thing with math. Just type in 12 times 32 and you get 384, just like that. It's unbelievably handy for those quick calculations. Okay, for our last little section here, we're going to look at shortcuts you can use right from your home screen icons. This is all about cutting out extra steps and getting things done with a single press.
So the trick is super simple. On almost any app icon, just tap and hold for like 1 second. Now don't hold it so long that the icons start doing that little jiggle dance. Just a quick press and hold brings up this awesome secret menu of shortcuts.
And these shortcuts are so useful. Press and hold the settings icon to jump right to Wi-Fi or battery. Hold the App Store icon to quickly check for updates. With the Photos icon, you can go straight to your favorites. And my personal favorite, hold the camera icon and you can open it directly in selfie mode. Genius.
So there you have it. You've just unlocked a whole new set of tricks that go way beyond the basics. This really brings you to a new level of just being efficient with your phone. By building these little habits, using the spacebar trackpad, holding the back button, using the home screen shortcuts, you're basically going to change how you use your phone, making it a faster and, frankly, a much smarter tool for your everyday life. And as our source material says, these aren't just little gimmicks. If you actually get used to using these tricks, you will absolutely start getting the most out of your iPhone. It just makes everything easier, quicker, and honestly, a lot more fun.
And that kind of leaves us with one last thought. I mean, these are just a handful of secrets that are hiding in plain sight. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other amazing features are just sitting there waiting for us to find them on the devices we use every day?
Hey, if you learned at least one new trick today, do a friend a favor and share this with them. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to unlock all the hidden potential in your tech.